is through social interaction. And of course, when we do social interaction, natututo tayo. We help each other, often in a group. It is also a theory po na is based on the ideas of learners construct new knowledge po. Ayun lang po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Cruz. Next. Gaspar.
Yes po.
Feverly. Miss Feverly Gaspar. This is your topic. Give one era or period of the ICT and discuss.
Sir, for me po the first era po, which is the wait lang po. The 20th century po, which is the emergence of significant advantage in ICT po. For example po, yung telephone na in-invent by si Alexander Graham Bell in 1876 po, which is yung telephone po na yun is became a ubiquitous po ba yun, communication tool po. And yung may isa pa po na in-invent, which is yung radio and television po, which is yung broadcasting the technologies such as yung radio and television po. It's transformed mass communication and entertainment. Yun lang po, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Gaspar. Next. Pamitan Isabella. Here now. Pamitan Isabella.
Yes po, sir.
This is your topic. Positive impact of ICT. Give one positive impact of ICT and discuss.
For me po, sir, yung one of the positive impact of ICT is that pinapadali po nito yung buhay, yung communication natin sa ibang tao. Like po, sa paggamit ng mga social media, madali na po tayong nakakapag-connect or nakakapagkasalamuha sa iba't ibang tao sa iba't ibang mundo po. Yun lang po.
Next. Loberanes. Michael.
Good morning po, sir.
Morning. Here is your topic. Application of ICT. Give one application of ICT and discuss.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Angelo Estabranes, specialty Sir John Richard Padua. So for me, first off, information and communication technology, or ICT, it finds the applications in numerous sectors and industries. It's revolutionizing the way we communicate, conduct businesses, and access information and more. The basic computing application of ICT is in terms of communication. Sir, communication in ICT, it enables seamless communication through various channels, including emails, instant messaging, video conferencing, such as this one, Gmeet po, and social media platforms. Kasi it facilitates the real-time interaction and collaboration among individuals, businesses, and organizations globally, not globally, um, um, academic purposes, just like this one. How ICT permeates almost every aspect of modern life, driving efficiency, innovation, and connectivity in diverse sectors and industries. And for me, lastly, the essence of ICT is it is lies its ability to facilitate the exchange of information, ideas, and knowledge across various platforms and devices. Kasi it encompasses a wide range of technologies, including the computers, the internet, the mobile devices, and telecommunication systems. It plays a vital role in connecting people, businesses, and organizations globally. It enables to collaborate, innovate, and grow. Katulad na sinabi ko kanina, it can has an easily access to communication kasi we have internet communication, right? We have messenger, through chats, and video conferencing just like this one. And in terms of communication in academic purposes, it can allow us to easily has find it can easily has to find and access information. Just like in the thesis research, papasok dyan yung Google Scholar and from the other devices or sites po. And the primary objectives for me of ICT is to enhance the communication, streamline processes, improve access to information, just like I said earlier ago, and promote global connectivity. By leveraging ICT, individuals and organizations can increase efficiency, it reduces costs, and foster what do you call this? Better decision making. In conclusion, ICT or information communication technology, it contributes to the social, economic, and educational development by bridging the digital divide, empowering people, and creating new opportunities in regards of work and in academic field po. And again, my name is Michael Angelo Estabaranes, and good morning po everyone.